So if we look at the problem, A55B divisible by 36, and we think of 36, and we say, well, it's divisible by 9 and 4, and 9 and 4 have no common factors, so they're relatively prime. So that means that we can just check. We can check if we have divisibility by 9, divisibility by 4. Okay, so if we look at the number A55B, for divisibility by 4, we just need to know, is 5B divisible by 4? And so as we look through that, we see that 5B has to be a multiple of 4. So you can rule out the odd numbers. So what are the possibilities then? So the possibilities are either 2, so 52, or 56. Okay, so those are our two possible numbers. So we can have A552 or A556. And now we have to check for divisibility by 9. And so we look at the first case, and we say, well, looking at the digits of A552, in order to be a multiple of 9, divisible by 9, these digits have to add up to some multiple of 9. So if we add up 5, 5, and 2, we get 12. So A plus 12 has to be a multiple of 9. Well, it can't be anything other than 18, so we don't have a big enough digit to get to 27. So A must equal, in this case, 6. So A could equal 6. Okay, so A equals 6 when B equals 2. Okay, so if we look at that, we'd have the number 6, 5, 5, 2 being divisible by 4 and by 36. And so then if we try the other possibility when we end in a 6, then we know that the A plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 has to equal a multiple of 9, 18 or 27. But when we add them up, we get A plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 is A plus 16. So the only way to get to a multiple of 9 is A equals 2. So when we have a 6 and get a 2, so for our answer, we could either have 6 plus 2, or we could have, in this case, A plus B, 2 plus 6. But in both cases, we get 8. So our answer is 8.